Hello, welcome everyone. Today let us have how to divide the polynomials. Division of polynomial by another polynomial. How to do? Let us learn. Your first question is divide minus 12 plus 3x square minus 4x plus x cube by 5x plus x square. As we see, we can know that the terms are not in order, neither in ascending nor in descending. Always let us try to arrange them in descending order. Same way the divisor. So these are in ascending order of x cube plus 3x square minus 4x minus 12. This divided by 5x plus x square. Let me arrange this also in descending order. X square plus 5x. Okay. Now, x square is here, x cube is here. So we have to write x square into x is x cube, 5x into x is plus 5x square. Let us subtract. X cube minus x cube is cancelled. 3x square minus 5x square is minus 2x square, and the remaining terms we have to take as it is. Now again, here is x square, here is minus 2x square. So we'll have minus 2. So plus into minus minus. 2 into x square is 2x square. Plus into minus is minus. 2 5s are 10x. Now when we subtract, minus 2x square plus 2x square is cancelled. Here minus 4x plus 10x is 6x minus 12. Now here is x square, here is x. That means no more steps we will be able to do, because here the degree is great and here the degree is 1, degree of the variable is 2 here. So this itself is the remainder. So for this question, the quotient is x minus 2 and the remainder is 6x minus 12. Okay. Now let us have few more sums. So our next question is divide 6x to the power 4 minus x cube minus 11x square plus 7x minus 1 by 2x minus 1. So this polynomial is to be divided by this. Here all the terms in order. So no need to arrange the terms. Simply we have to write as it is for division. It is to be divided by 2x minus 1. Okay, here is 2x, here is 6x to the power 4. 2 3s are 6, so 3. X into x cube will be x to the power 4. So 2x into 3x cube is 6x to the power 4. Minus into plus is minus. 1 into 3x cube is 3x cube. When we subtract, these two signs will be changing. 6x to the power 4 minus 6x to the power 4 is cancelled. Here minus x cube plus 3x cube is plus 2x cube, plus we may or may not write in the beginning. Now let us take the remaining terms. Minus 11x square plus 7x minus 1. Now let us see here. Here is 2x, here is 2x cube. Both are plus, so plus only. And 2x into x square will be 2x cube. Minus into plus minus. 1 into x square will be x square. So this is minus, this is plus. Again these two are cancelled. Minus 11x square plus x square is minus 10x square plus 7x minus 1. Now let us see. Here is plus, here is minus. So we have to write minus, so that plus into minus will be minus. 2 into 5 will be 10. So let me write 5 here, 10. Here x is there, one more x will write. So 2x into minus 5x will be minus 10x square. Minus into minus plus 1 into 5x, 5x. Now minus will be plus, plus will be minus. Minus 10x square plus 10x square is cancelled. And 7x minus 5x is 2x minus 1. Here 2x minus 1, here 2x minus 1. So simply we know that plus 1 gives you 2x minus 1. When the signs will change, they both will be cancelled. and remainder is 0. That means here quotient is this much, remainder is 0. That means let me write quotient equal to 3x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 1. And if the question asks divide and find whether divisor is the factor of this, means yes, 2x minus 1, that is the divisor is the factor of the given polynomial. Factor of 6x to the power 4 minus x cube minus 11x square plus 7x minus 1. If the question asked, you have to answer like this. Now let us have a different problem. You see, this question is find the value of k. Here it is having, this polynomial is having k. If the divisor, here x plus 3 is the divisor, is the factor of the dividend, if x plus 3 is the factor of this given polynomial, what is the value of k? You have to find. Already you have learned that if the remainder is 0, the divisor is the factor of the dividend. So first let us divide and see what happens. Here is x cube. Let us write x square. X into x square x cube plus into plus 3 into x square 3x square. When we subtract we get minus 2x square minus 5x plus k. Now here is plus, here is minus. Let me write minus. Here is 2 and here is x, but here is x square. So plus into minus minus, x into 2x will be 2x square. Plus into minus minus, 3 2s are 6x. When we subtract, the signs of the lower row will be changed. Minus 5x plus 6x is x plus k. We got x plus k. Here is x plus 3. Here is x plus k. As we see, here is x, here is x. If we want to cancel, let us multiply, let us write plus 1. X into 1, x. Plus into plus, 3 1s are 3. When we subtract, we get k minus 3. Here the remainder is k minus 3. And it is given that x plus 3 is the factor of this. If x plus 3 is the factor of the given polynomial, the remainder is 0. The remainder is 0. That means k minus 3 is 0, as x plus 3 is the factor of the dividend. Remainder is 0. We can write remainder, or here remainder is k minus 3 is 0. That implies k is equal to 3. And the question asks find the value of k. So the value of k is 3. Okay? I hope this is clear to you. Please go through it. Very well you will be able to do. Okay? Thank you.